years back, I was doing a transaction and I left 5,000 Naira inside a Binance account. I converted it into USDT. I had worth of 5,000 Naira USDT. And guess how much is that 5,000 Naira USDT? That worth of 5,000 Naira USDT is now presently inside my Binance account. Checked last and I saw that it's 10k, 10, 11, like it's fluctuating just by keeping money there.
This is not what a man do. It can't be possible.
I didn't do anything. I just left the money there and I even forgot it. Just that small amount like there. Imagine I put a bigger amount or I left a bigger amount there. So what am I trying to tell you now, guys? Saving money in dollars is one thing that you must you must consider. I'm telling you. If you look at the price of the worth of dollar to Naira, let's say 3 years ago compared to now, you will see that there has always been a spike. Like it's always moving up. There's no coming down. It might come down a little, but it will shoot up. Saving your money in dollars, you can do it with a lot of apps. The application that I use two apps. I'm going to start using the other app now, so that is what I'm going to teach you guys inside this video. But I use Binance and this other new app, which is called Noah. Now I'm not telling you guys to carry all your old savings and then push it to dollars just because I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just here showing you guys what I do and what you can do also. So you can take a little fragment of your money, in fact very small. Let's say you can be saving even 2,000, which I'm going to use. I think I'm going to use a very small percentage now to demonstrate it. So let's jump right into my phone and let me show you guys how to get this done. So let's go to the Noah app. So this is it here. So just tap on it, load, and then what you're going to do is to sign up. So you're going to change your number, put Nigeria because you're Nigerian. Look for your country. So you look for your country. You're now going to tap on send verification code. So let's wait for the verification code and it's automatically filled up. So here we're going to put in our mail. We're going to set in our 6-digit password. So make sure you put a 6-digit password. Make sure you put in a 6-digit password that you're not going to forget. Good. So just continue. So it wants to access everything. Just allow it, give it all access, and then just calm down and then tap on continue. So if you want to enable notification, let it give you all updates and everything. You can just put enable notification or just put not now, whatever it wants. Let's just put enable, and not necessary. All of this not necessary. We just want to see our app. You can do a referral program. There's a referral program here, but you can only get the referral bonus if you refer your friend and your friend deposits $10 at least for 5 days. So you're going to get $1 and your friend is also going to get $1 extra. So this is just a notice. So here you're on the app and it's quite very simple compared to Binance. So all you can do is just to deposit or withdraw. Very simple. So for you to start any referral bonus, you have to deposit money into your account. So you're going to get $1. That if you deposit, there is $10 dollars. You're going to get $1 referral. But for you to get your referral code, you have to deposit. So how to deposit? You just tap on deposit here, up here, this plus, and then you tap on I want to send money via transfer, and this first option, then continue. Then it's continue and walk you guys through. So the first thing you're going to now put is the amount you want to deposit inside. So let's deposit 2,000 for a start. Let's deposit 2,000. So you're going to get $1.91. Then what you're going to do is bank transfer. Verify your phone number. So here you tap on accept and continue, and this is your phone number. So what you're going to do is phone number verification. To verify your number, you have to dial this USD code. So you just dial the code. So you dial it. So you see your account was successfully created. So you tap on OK. So we'll go back. So now the third step here, which is the final step, is you are going to then you now do transfer funds, then create an order and additional information. So here you're going to put in your name, so Victor, and here I'm going to put in Benjamin. Please, you must put your correct name of your bank you're going to use to transfer. So you put on save. So good, you see. So this is what I'm telling you now. So make sure the first name and the second name is what you'll just put on that digit. So what you're going to do is to copy this number, copy it. Is 9 Payment Service Bank. So it's 9 Payment Service Bank. So this is what you're going to also. So let's go and then make the transfer. You just tap on I have made the transfer because I've just finished making the transfer. So you tap on I have paid, and then let's go back and let's refresh. So you can see our payment is processing here. You can see it's processing here, and we are going to get our alert as soon as it has finished being processed. So let's just wait. If you're getting value from this video, all I want you to do now is now subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, turn on the notification bell, and then hit the like button, and then share this video with your family and friends and help them. Let's continue. Now you can see the money has just popped up, and if you should notice, you see that when I deposited it was 1.91. now you can see it's 1.92. So I don't know about you. I don't know how you look at these things, but inflation just keeps on hitting, and the value to dollar, not naira to dollar, it's just crazy. Now sometimes when you deposit your money, it might take a little time before it comes, but it will surely come. Just make sure you follow the procedure that I explained in this video. Please do not make any mistake. Put your full name that you're going to transfer the money from. That is, if your name is Ebuka Chigwezu, put Ebuka Chigwezu, and then the bank you're going to transfer, if that is your name, you put it there, and then make sure you don't confuse the app to sending the money, and then why is the name different from who is sending and all of this. So just make sure you just follow the appropriate thing that I just explained everywhere, and you're going to get your money deposited here and saved.